classmates!
Good morning.
Welcome to Bowline Training and Assessment Center. I am Maribig Sipitor, your assessor in bookkeeping and C3. Before we start, check po muna natin yung attendance. Sasay po kayo sa ating attendance sheet, pero isi-show niyo po sa akin yung inyong admission slip and a valid ID. Miss Abigail Asuncion, your admission slip and ID. Pasign po sa inyong pangalan po dito sa tapat na pangalan. Okay, thank you. Mr. Ibes Bona, let me see your admission slip. Okay, valid ID, thank you. Pakisign po, sir. Thank you. Okay. I would like to acknowledge also the presence of the AC manager, Mr. Andy De La Cruz, and Ms. Joyce Tolentino, TESDA representative. Pero don't worry, wag po kayo magbabother o ma-intimidate sa kanila dahil nandito po sila to observe and oversee the conduct of assessment. Ako po yung kanilang i-assess, hindi po kayo, okay? Okay. I have here also your accomplished assessment guide. Ito po yung na-accomplish nyo na during your application for national assessment. Kaya dito po, nag-indicate na you can perform all the units of competency enumerated in your qualifications sa bookkeeping and C3. Okay. Now, what are the purpose and context of assessment? The assessment you are about to undertake will be conducted here at accredited assessment center using the tools, the equipments, and facilities provided. The environment and the materials are arranged to mirror actual workplace conditions so that you can demonstrate your skills in realistic and safe setting. My role as assessor is to observe, gather, and record the evidence of your performance on the standard set for your qualification. The national assessment is being conducted to determine whether you meet the competency standard for your bookkeeping and C3. If you are found competent, you will be issued national certificate or competency, certificate of competency for your qualification. Saan niyo po ba pwedeng magamit yon? Yung certificate na yon. Ito po ay nationally and internationally recognized. Pwede niyo siyang magamit for your employment, local or abroad, or for career promotion, job requirements. Pwede rin niyo magamit yung certificate. Now, I am going to conduct the competency assessment for bookkeeping and C3. Bookkeeping and C3 has 5 core competencies. These are journalized transaction, post-transaction, prepare trial balance, prepare financial reports, and review internal control system. Let us proceed to assessment method. Meron po tayong 3 methods: written test, demonstration, and questioning. For your written test, we have 1 hour. For your demonstration, 3 hours. And questioning, the remaining hours. We have allowable and reasonable adjustments during our assessment procedure. Meron sa sa health nyo, health condition, pwede rin sa religion or sa communication problem. Sa health, halimbawa, during our assessment procedure, need nyo mag-take ng medicine, magsabi lang po kayo sa akin para ma-address po natin yung concern nyo. Sa inyo namang language or communication problem, kapag nagkaroon ng problema, expressing your language or may barriers, let me know po. And then, para sa religion, kapag ka po contrary sa religion or sa belief nyo yung ating assessment procedure, you can adjust also. These are allowable because candidates should be treated equal. Okay, clear po? Next is the do's and don'ts. Meron din po tayong mga don'ts and do's. Unahin na natin yung don'ts. Sa don'ts, number 1 is, don't leave the assessment area without further instruction. Kapag hindi po sinabing assessor na you may go home, wag po muna uuwi. Next is using your cell phone. You may silent mode or turn off your cell phone during assessment procedure kasi po madidistract po yung ating mga candidates or mga kapwa ng candidates. Number 3, refrain from asking question sa inyong assessor or sa inyong co-candidates. And then, don't give any information regarding assessment process. Sa DO's naman po, observe OHS or Occupational Health and Safety and keep the assessment procedure confidential. Clear po? Clear? Any question? Okay, next is, you have the right to appeal. If you are not convinced with the result of your assessment or you have encountered problem that affect your assessment results, you have the right to appeal. You may file your complaint and submit to AC manager within the day. Okay? Liwanag po? Issuance of COC. Your COC will be issued within 24 hours via email. Nagbigay po kayo ng email address nyo during your application sa training. Isi-send po yun via email with passport for your protection. At valid po ito for 5 years. Yung certificate, valid for 5 years. Clear? Okay. So, assessment procedure po natin. First, are you all comfortable with the video or instructions being used? Okay na po sa inyo? Comfortable po ba kayo? Okay. Any clarification or question? Wala naman po. Before we start assessment proper, our restroom are located at the right side of the hall. Now, we will start answering the written test. Written test, we have 30 items for 1 hour. Please read the instruction carefully and answer. We have 1 hour and you may start now. Done? This special paper. Thank you. The next is for your demonstration. I have here practical activity for you to answer for 3 hours. Please read the instructions carefully. Are you done? This special paper. Thank you. Okay, candidate number 1 for our oral questioning. Candidate number 1, please remain here at assessment area and the rest of the candidate, please proceed to holding area and you will be called accordingly. Candidate number 1, are you ready for the questioning? Here is your question. What would you do if you classified transaction incorrectly?
Correct the error immediately following company procedures and inform the appropriate supervisor if necessary.
Now, question number 2. Why are source documents important?
It helps prevent errors and ensures the accuracy and reliability of financial records.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 1, please call candidate number 2. Please proceed to the holding area. Candidate number 2, kamusta po? Ready
Okay
na po
na.
kayo sa ating question?
Okay na, yun naman.
Question number 1. What is a source document?
A source document is an original record that provides evidence that a business transaction has occurred, such as invoice, official receipt, sales invoice, or a purchase order.
Question number 2. What are the source document? Why are source document important?
Well, they provide proof of transactions and serve as a basis for recording and classifying business transactions accurately.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 2, please call candidate number 1. Please proceed to a holding area. Candidate number 1, kamusta po ang iyong assessment?
Good naman po.
Okay. Candidate number 1, your written test, demonstration, and questioning are excellent. Your grade is for 85%. You demonstrated excellent knowledge and skills. You accurately analyzed the source document, selected and classified correctly. As you continue to develop your skills, focus on maintaining the same level of accuracy and consistency while improving your speed. Overall, you have successfully met all the competency requirements, and I found you competent in bookkeeping and C3. Congratulations, and you are competent. Here is your competency assessment result summary. Please sign here before I submit to AC Manager. Thank you and congratulations again. Please call candidate number 2. Thank you. Candidate number 2, kamusta po ang iyong assessment?
Ayos naman.
Ang result ng iyong written test, demonstration, and questioning, you scored 75%. You showed positive attitude throughout the demonstration. You were able to classify business documents. To meet the competency standard, you need to improve your ability to classify business transactions correctly. And I encourage you to review the bookkeeping procedures, practice more transaction analysis. I am sorry that you need to further review and practice the learning activities to meet the standards of your qualification. Anyway, you may come back to for your assessments once you are ready. And don't worry, you will be assessed on the part where you are found not competent. Okay? Please sign your competency assessment result summary before I pass to AC Manager. Thank you. This concludes our national assessment for bookkeeping and C3. Thank you.